କାହାକୁ ଖାଏ ଲାୟନ? ଆକୁ ଖାଇଦେଲା। ଲାୟନ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା। ଲାୟନ ଆକୁ ଇଏ ଖାଇଥିଲା ଫକ୍ସ। गोट को खाईदेला। Eat goat.
सेड्डा ये गोट है ये डोंकी.
And bear is come back to eat. Horse jumping outside and kick him. Lion is come and is and everything is down. And lion is come back and bear is come back is their own area and goat is donkey and lion is come to eat his goat. Goat is down and sleep. Come back. There is to eat. Then is kick and he is slept and bear is donkey. Kick him. He sleep down and goat is now bird is wake up and is now is kick to him and go to